Look, getting into fitness, it's no easy feat, right? And most people during this time of year swear they're gonna look like this dude by the end of the year, but most of them, by February, actually 80% of them have failed. Well, I wanna make sure you're not part of that 80%, and instead you're part of the 8%. Yes, you heard me right, only 8% follow through with their New Year's resolutions, and you kill it this year with your body. And to do that, we gotta make fitness easy. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly the easiest way to get healthy and get into fitness. That's right, there's an easy way. I'm gonna show you.
Yo, put on a damn shirt. It makes no sense.
Come on,
Yo, put on a damn
I
shirt.
can't be shirtless one time.
No, it makes no
One
sense.
time.
Nobody wants to see your six-pack.
It was to get their attention.
No,
Alright,
it makes
fine.
no sense.
I
Nobody
got you.
wants to see your six-pack / almost dad bod.
It made sense, right? Like, yo, come on. Jesus. Look. Good? We're good now? All right. Now for some solid advice. First, we're gonna start working out gradually. Don't go into the gym and get a freaking 2-hour session and do that every day. That's exactly how you get hurt. Instead, the best way is to build a habit over time. So for example, something super easy to start with. Let's say week 1, you'll agree to do 20 minutes of walking or light jogging every day. And then maybe week 2, you're gonna amp it up a notch and you're gonna do a full body circuit every day for about 20 minutes. It can be push-ups, air squats, whatever you find online. Then week 3, let's say you actually sign up to the gym finally, and now you're only gonna go to the gym for only 20 minutes. You see what's starting to happen here? You're gradually building this healthy habit over time in a safe manner. What most people do is just because it's New Year's resolution, they try to go 150% on the first day, and not only do they get injured, they end up quitting because they find it too hard. Be gradual with it, and you're gonna build an everlasting habit. Number 2, sleep in your workout clothes. There's a little trick that I do, and it works well for me. See, it's kind of like a mind trick where when I go to sleep with my gym clothes, like I've already told my mind, when I wake up, I'm going to the gym. On top of that, it's like a lazy hack too. That way I don't have to get ready at 4 in the morning. I'm already ready. I just go out the door. Those two things kind of motivate me a little bit more to go to the gym. And it's all about that. Finding little things that work for you to get you there. Now, not to mention, if the gym clothing is actually good, yo, it's also going to boost your performance and make you feel more athletic. Clothing has that habit. Your exterior affects your interior. And thanks to Stitch Fix, our sponsor for today, I'm always looking A1 when I step into the gym. See, here's the reality. Most of us dudes don't have time to go to the mall or shop for our clothing. That's where Stitch Fix comes into play. See, Stitch Fix, they have personal stylists that curate outfits specifically for you and your lifestyle. But see, Stitch Fix doesn't just do casual clothing or going out clothes. They have workout clothes as well. And right now, for New Year's resolution, they want to curate boxes for you for workout gear. I know for a fact, most of our workout drawers, it's kind of embarrassing. We have like ripped out, overstretched tees, pants that are all stained, and that's usually what we go to the gym with. But just like in the real world, when you wear clothing that fits right, that feels good, it makes you feel good as well. And if it's clothing that's performance enhancing, it's gonna make you train way better than when you wear your jeans or your raggedy old sweatpants. And again, this is all just mental. And again, for me, this doesn't mean that's for everybody, but for me personally, every time I step into the gym, I like to wear clothing that fits right and makes me feel good, makes me feel like an athlete, and I push harder. It motivates me to want to go to the gym. That's where Stitch Fix has you covered. If you don't got time to shop, why do it yourself? Why not be like a celebrity and actually have a personal stylist? You heard me right. A personal stylist do the stuff for you. The crazy part is that if you sign up now, the link down below, your stylist fee for the first time, it's waived completely off. Also, if you shop anything from the box, yeah, they don't charge you the styling fee either. That's why it's amazing. Not only are you getting great name brands, not only are you getting it curated specifically for you, when you do keep or buy any of the products that they send you that you liked on you, you don't even have to pay for the stylist. Yo, celebrities will pay thousands of dollars to have a stylist on call. You can have one now because your boy is hooking you up. If you guys want to check out our sponsor, Stitch Fix, and see that insane offer, it's a limited time offer, especially now for New Year's resolution where you really want to push through and push yourself, click that link down below before that offer time's out. Number 3, make one small habit change in your diet. Look, the last thing you want to do, like that dude that went 150% on his first day to the gym, is be the same dude in the kitchen. You do not want to be the dude that's meal prepping just chicken breast and broccoli, because I promise you by week 2, you're going to want to throw up that food. The reality is that not only is it hard to live that way, it's a tasteless way to live, and that's why so many people quit. Instead, make healthy choices and stick to them. And they can be easy. For example, if you're a dude that drinks soda all the time, cut all sugary drinks and just stick to water. You can eat everything that you already eat the exact same way, but you're just making one simple choice in your diet. And that's that you're gonna cut sugary drinks and stick to water. After about a month to that you're now used to it, do a second change. Say that you're addicted to candy. All right, you're gonna cut out candy and just replace it for healthy snacks like your nuts, your granola, your yogurt. Now that you've done that for a month, you see what I'm doing? You're changing your life, your habits over time, and that makes it easier than trying to going 150% on month 1, and that's why 80% of men fail by February. Number 4, build a sleep schedule. You know what's crazy? Recovery is just as important as eating right or going super hard in the gym. Yet, this is one area that I believe that 98% of men fail at, yet it's the easiest thing to do. You're literally just sleeping. See, as you sleep, growth hormones are released in your body that repair tissue that you've broke down when you're working out. So you want to shoot for anywhere from 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. You're going to wake up more energized and also be more motivated to want to continue to work out the next day at the gym. But if you're not sleeping right, you're going to be completely drained, and that's what's going to stop you from going to the gym or working as hard the next day. So, build a sleep schedule. I know it sounds like you have a bedtime, but you're making smart decisions here. So for example, say that you know you're gonna go to sleep at 11 at night every night. Okay, so if you add 8 hours to that, you know that the earliest that you should wake up is 7 in the morning. That's when you should wake up and stick to that sleep schedule every day. I don't care if it's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day of the week it is, every day you'll go to sleep at 11, wake up at 7. And finally, number 5, find a workout that you love. Jiu-jitsu, boxing, running, cycling. You could do HIIT cardio training. You could do any sort of martial arts, basketball, soccer, baseball. I don't care what it is, just get moving. The reality is that not everybody's made to go to the gym, lift weights up, and put them down. Some people find that boring, and that's why you quit. So find a hobby, find something that you've always been interested in. Maybe it's fighting, UFC, jiu-jitsu, whatever it is that's always sparked your interest. Join a group, a class, or whatever, and do that every day. I promise you, you mix that with your other healthy habits, you're gonna be healthier and more into fitness than ever before, and it's not gonna be as hard as it used to be.